Hello friends, welcome to my channel MySakhi. So today I'm going to share with you a very tasty and delicious chicken curry recipe, which is the very easy to make and is going to be a super tasty. It's made very easily and is so delicious that you will like to make the same chicken curry again and again. So let's see the recipe. I'm making makhni chicken for 4 people. So accordingly I took 500 grams of chicken here. In this I have added 1 cup of cream, 1 cup of curd, 2 medium spoons of ginger garlic paste, half spoon of meat tenderizer powder and salt as per taste. And I have kept it for marination 2 hours ago. Later here I have taken 3 tablespoons of green masala paste which I have prepared by grinding spicy green chilies, garlic and ginger. Then here are 4 medium sized onion which I have grinded in grinder. Half cup of cashew paste. I have also soaked these in advance and ground them. Now I have taken 1 tablespoon of chili flakes, half tablespoon of black pepper powder and half tablespoon of cumin powder. In the whole spices, I have taken 1 piece of cinnamon, 2 cloves, 4 small green cardamoms and 1 anise flower. And here 1 tomato and 1 capsicum have been cut into square sizes and 4 to 5 green chilies and ginger have been cut into long strips. First of all, we will pour 100 grams of oil in the pan. When the oil is slightly hot, we will add 100 grams of butter along with it. As soon as the butter gets hot and melts, we will add green masala paste to it. Here we will fry the green masala paste well for 3 to 4 minutes. It's very important to add a green masala paste with hot chilies here because without it the chicken gravy will not be spicy at all and will be very bland. Then there won't be that much taste in it. So you can add more or less green masala paste as per your taste. So it's been 3 to 4 minutes of frying the green masala paste. It is cooked well and a nice fragrance has also started coming from it. So now we will add ground onion here. We will cook the onion while stirring continuously. We don't have to leave it, otherwise it will remain raw on the top and get burnt from below. So cook it for 4 to 5 minutes while continuously stirring. After frying the onion for 4 to 5 minutes, you can see that onion is also get cooked. So now we will add ground cashew paste into it. We will also cook it by turning it for about 5 minutes, so that its rawness goes away and it gets cooked properly. While cooking cashew paste, be careful that this paste shouldn't be raw, otherwise the gravy smells like raw spices and due to that it doesn't taste that much. So we have to fry the cashew paste properly on a slow flame for 5 to 7 minutes. So after 5 to 7 minutes we will put the whole spices in it here. And dry spices like chili flake, pepper and cumin powder. You can increase or decrease the quantity of these items as per your convenience. We will not fry the spices too much, just fry them well while turning for 1 minute. And then add the chicken that we had marinated in it. And in this we will add half teaspoon of salt. You can also add more or less salt as per your taste. I am adding less salt because I had added some salt while marinating the chicken. So I am adding salt here accordingly. Now first of all we will mix the chicken well with all the spices. You can see that the chicken and spices are mixed well. So now we will cook the chicken by adding water. So here I am adding half glass of water. We will mix it well again and after mixing cover it and cook it on a slow flame for at least 15 to 20 minutes. We will check it by turning it from time to time, and if water is required we will add little more water so that chicken get cooked properly due to steam and the spices are also roasted well. If you marinate the chicken 2 or 3 hours in advance, its advantage is that it gets cooked quickly and becomes soft. There is no need to cook it for long because we are making it here in an open vessel. If you make it in a cooker then it will get boiled quickly. So you can see that specially because of cream and tenderization, this chicken has quickly become very soft and all the spices have also been roasted well. So as per my requirement, I have kept this much gravy here. If you want, you can make it a little thinner by adding some water. Now after this, we will pour some oil in a pan and fry the tomatoes, capsicum, ginger and hot chilies. So first of all, we will fry the ginger because it takes some time to fry the ginger. After frying the ginger for about 1 minute, we will add tomatoes, capsicum and spicy green chilies and also fry this thoroughly for 1 minute. So vegetables are fried. Now we will put these vegetables on the chicken and mix it. This gives a colorful look to the chicken, which makes this dish very attractive, and their taste also blend with the gravy and gives good flavor. So here our velvety makhni chicken is ready. If you make this dish once, you will feel like making this dish again, because really this dish is very tasty and quick to prepare and is completely different from normal chicken gravy. You must also try this recipe and tell us by commenting how you like this makhni chicken. So if you like the recipe, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.